sometimes you get discounted prices or percentages in sales, and they might say 50% off what will be the new price. So in this case, something's costing, a pizza is going to cost 40 dirhams today, but we're going to give you 50% discount. That means how much will you now pay and how much have you saved? So to work this one out, there are many different ways. If you know what 50% is equal to, as in a fraction, and 50% is a half. So you could just think half of 40 is 20 dirham. So your new price would be 20 dirhams, meaning you would save 20 dirhams as well. Another way you could do it is you could do 40 multiplied by 50. Now, it's almost like a waste of time because it's a whole lot of zeros. I could just cover up the two zeros. 5 times 4 is 20. Put the decimal point and then put the two zeros after that. When we're dealing with currency or money, we are dealing with 2 decimal place values. So that means 2 digits will be after the decimal place. So let's just prove it. 0 times 0, 0, well done. I go across this way, 0 times 4 is 0. So that's why it's a bit crazy to actually do it this way. Because I've finished with the ones, I'm now going on to the tens. 5 multiplied by 0, 0. You can see there's a whole lot of zeros in the last one. 4 times 5 is 20. It doesn't always work out like this when you've got different numbers here. So it is still a way to do it. And then obviously I'd plus them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. It's nothing plus 0, 0. Nothing plus 2 is 2. Where would I put my decimal point? Because if it's 2,000, we're talking AED, dirham, so I'd put 1, 2, I'd put it here. Or move the digits over to where they should be. So here, I'd put my new price is 20 dirham. I could, because there's no cents, I could just write 20 AED. This is my new price, which means 40 minus this new price. 0 minus 0, 0, and 4 minus 2. So my new price is 20 dirham and my savings is 20 dirham. Let's just change the price. We might make it 50% because that's quite an easy one. Let's make it 30%. Okay, 30%. So my savings will be 30%. So they're saying 30% off. So what I'm looking for is what is the new price? Now, if you know your multiplication, you could just think my savings is 30%. You could just do 30 times 40, you may not know that, but you know 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. And I can put my decimal point, because there's the 2 zeros. Then I could have done that long way, like this way, 40 times 30, let's do it. 0 times 0, 0. 0 times 4, 0. Put down a 0 because I'll finish with the ones. 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus them, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0, nothing plus 2, nothing plus 1. Put in the decimal point, right there. 12. 12 dirham, no fills. AED, 12 dirham. So I could have just done it that way. Now let's go back. Try it. You may not know, because it's not a half, or not 50%, you're not going to go, oh, it's a half. So what we could do, to work this one out, some people might think, well, 30, if I just make it 10%. 10%, if it's 100% of something, it's all of it. So 100% of 40 is 40. 100% of 20 would be 20. 100% of 50, 50. I want to know what 10% of that. So 10% of that would be 4. Okay, would be 4. So if I can find 10% of this, all I need to find 30% is I multiply it by 3. Because if 10% equals 4 dirham, 30% is 3 times 10%. I multiply that by 3, which gives me 12. Okay, so 12 AED. Remembering this is the discount. Okay, so I have going to save 12 dirham. What would be my new price for the pizza that was 40 dirham? 30% off. So what I do is I do 40 minus 12. 0 minus 2 I can't do. I come and exchange 10. Or some people say borrow. 10 minus 2 leaves 8. 3 minus 1 leaves 2. My new price for my pizza is 28 dirham. My savings is 12 dirham, so that's how much I've saved. If I wanted to double check, I could do 12 plus 28 should give me my original price. Okay, there's different ways to do this. Give it a go. So let's just quickly do, what would it be if it was 20%? 20% of 40. You could just do 20 times 40, or 2 times 4 is 8. It's going to be 8 dirhams you're going to save. So 40 minus 8 would leave, this would become 3, this would become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 3 minus nothing, 3. So my new price of pizza that was 40 dirham, it's now 32 dirham. That's my new price that I'm going to pay. The savings is 8 dirham based on 20%. Let's double check. We went back here. We said 10% is 4 dirham. 20% must be double that. 8 dirham. So use one of these strategies to help you. It's quite quick once you get the multiplication skills, and it should become quite easy.